Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Twitter lag on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here tap on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. Click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on Twitter and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Twitter. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.